A few line of S.I. Jonmoni Rabha. A few line of S.I. Jonmoni Rabha, Moriklong police station. Jonmoni Rabha was a courageous police sub-inspector of Moriklong police station, and she was known as Lady Singham of Assam. She was born in Guwahati, Assam. Her hometown is Nolonga, Guwahati, Assam. Her mother name is Sumitra Rabha and her father name is Ranjay Kumar Rabha. She was accidentally dead at Shurubhogia National Highway on 15 May 2023. Her high school education at Narkasur High School and completed her HSLC examination and took admission for higher education at Cotton College, Guwahati. Her education qualification is in graduation and completed in the course of specialization and PR at Cotton College. He took merit with Rana Pogak on 8 October 2021, but their engagement ended after her marriage because her husband was arrested by Assam police. Some hidden mystery behind the death of S.I. Jonmoni Rabha. Many people are waiting real justice of death Jonmoni Rabha. The eyewitness Pranab Das already given report regarding accident death of S.I. Jonmoni Rabha. Her Suzuki Maruti Nong S01EN7273 is in right track of roadside, and the container truck driver Sumit Kumar make accident from wrong side of the road. The container truck driver truck Nong is seen as UP78UT4518. Still, we have not listened about accident of Jonmoni Rabha from his mouth. What is the mysterious hidden behind it? Why the journalists and police and CID along with CBI not asked about the accident of her death to Sumit Kumar? Because the truck driver Sumit Kumar is really know the super plane murder policy of Jonmoni Rabha. The container truck driver Sumit Kumar already surrendered at Jaklabanda police station on 18 May 2023. And still Honorable S.B. Lina Dole was also not clarification about her death, because she was calling her to police station of her. If we observe all fact of Jonmoni Rabha death was a plain murder. Her mother Sumitra Rabha also telling about her accident, because when they are opened the coffin, seen many beaten sign was seen in her body. It is suspected beaten by a road seat by someone and make accident to removing their faulties from the eyes of law.